Welcome to our project video. In this video, we'd like to give you an insight into our exciting project and show you how we, as a team, worked on creating an innovative furniture placement application for virtual rooms. Our project goal was to create a user-friendly solution that allows users to place and arrange furniture in their virtual rooms. Whether it's a bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom, our application should enable users to intuitively and realistically position furniture. Our team consisted of dedicated developers, designers, and researchers who brought their unique skills to drive the project forward. We conducted extensive research to understand proven techniques and methods for placing furniture in rooms, and how to incorporate these experiences into our application. Our furniture library was carefully curated and includes a variety of furniture pieces, from beds and wardrobes to desks and shelves. Each piece of furniture was created with attention to detail to ensure a realistic representation and provide users with a range of design options. The centerpiece of our project was the development of an intelligent placement algorithm. This algorithm allowed users to place furniture along the left wall of the virtual room and automatically check if there's enough space and if any collisions with other furniture or walls occur. Our application utilizes the Unity platform to ensure a seamless and immersive user experience. From precise controls to an intuitive user interface and realistic furniture representation, we focused on making users feel at home in their virtual space. We are proud to have developed a solid algorithm that serves as a strong foundation for our furniture placement application. However, we want to emphasize that the implementation is not yet fully complete, leaving room for extensions and improvements. We see this project as a step towards our vision of a comprehensive and user-friendly virtual room design solution. Teamwork was crucial to the success of this project. We worked closely together, exchanged ideas, tackled challenges, and achieved great results as a team. The project has been a journey filled with challenges and successes, and we take pride in what we have accomplished so far. We'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our team, mentors, and all involved who supported us on this journey. This project has not only brought us valuable experiences but also strengthened our passion for virtual worlds and innovative technologies. We hope you enjoy our furniture placement application and that it helps you design your own virtual spaces. Thank you for taking the time to watch our project video. We welcome your feedback and support.